In this video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Instagram. For some reason, you want to change the existing name you have on your Instagram. Maybe you want to have some excitement to your name, or you have officially changed your existing name and you want it to reflect on your Instagram account. It's pretty simple and easy. On your Instagram account, navigate to the bottom right corner and click there. So this is the existing name that I'm having on this Instagram account, which is Mubarick MD, and I want to change this. So all I have to do is to proceed to click on edit profile. To change my existing name, all I have to do is to enter the new name that I want to change to here. Then I'll proceed to click on this confirm icon. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button and share it to your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to see many content like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.